Hello all. Today I would like to review on one of the pocket watch that I have. This is a Hampden watch, and this model, this is a size 16 railroad rate pocket watches. This is a 21 jewel. The model is WM William McKinley. This is a pretty cool and nice design. This model made in 1913, and this is the open face, as you can see here. But if we would like to restore this watch, it's gonna take quite a bit of efforts to do it, because the face here, you see that it doesn't look pretty new or decent. It has a few hairlines on it, and some chips on the face, on the dial itself, but the movement is still working, looking great. It's been I wired it up, and it's been running for over 12 hours now. I didn't keep time or record the times on this one to see if it's keep time or not, because it's missing the hour hand. So in order to restore this one here, we would like to replace a dial, replace a set of hands. So we will put in the new set of hands, hour, minute, and the sweep hands, and then the case. You can see the case here is look pretty worn out. So you see some wear to the brass on the edge here. That is pretty normal to expect it, because over 100 years old pocket watch. Here's the back cover of the case. As you can see here, this is a gold field pocket watch face. Case, made by Duber. The back case is look fine, just a little bit some dent and dings on it, but it's look decent. Only this case was wear a lot to the case, but overall this one is look pretty decent. So I will have another videos after I finish restore this one, and then probably recase it to a different one. So I just want to wrap it up. This is size 16 Hampden. The grade is WM McKinley, and it's made possible around 1990, and 21 jewel with open face open face movement. And then this one has 5 adjustable position, and all of this is gonna be 21 jewels. You can see the jewels here. The jewels look pretty decent on this one. Doesn't have any cracks or anything on the jewel itself. I will have another video to show you when I open everything up for cleaning, and then I will put it back to see if it's still running. But until then, I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. I will have a lot of review on the rest of the watch that I have. All of them are pocket watches or very old vintage or antique wristwatch. Thank you. I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.